Did you see me? Total camo. I am golden browned.
You are gold.
Welcome back to the family room. I am going to speak to you in Spanish today. I want to talk to you all about the Pequeno series. I was trying to make something to fit these small holes I had in a shitload of pendants that I'd already made. And so I tried to make like a small chain, and I just kept going smaller, smaller. And in the end, I was really stoked, and I was like, oh, that's it. It's the Pequeno, and it's an entirely handmade chain. So each link is individually cast, cut, assembled, sanded, soldered, sanded again, polished, and there you go. It's really called the Pequeno a mano, which is, you know, small by hand. And the series is this cool sort of box link shape. Each link says something. Some of them say good and some of them say art. This is the original Pequeno a mano. This is the next sort of scaled up size. It's called the not so Pequeno. It's bigger, so it's the not so. And then the biggest one right now is called the Gordo, and it's a monster. It's a very sort of crisp, kind of ubiquitous type of shape. So for those of you who don't know, we make all our mechanisms, we make all our clasps. So in the world of jewelry, there's these things called findings, and findings are like the little bits that you buy. We don't bring in findings because we can cast anything we want, just 200 feet that way. And so we make all that stuff. And one of my favorite things to do is make clasps. Can't believe I'm wearing this hat still, it's very hot. This is a very old style of clasp. I don't know where I first saw it, but definitely when I was younger, because like long before I was making things and jewelry. I remember the concept was this little thing opens up, it slips on the end, and then you kind of fold it over, and then you get that little click. This is my own version of it, but the concept, I didn't invent it, so you could see something like this out there in nature, but you won't see a better one. And that's one of the ethos that drives making things like this is, I'm not gonna just gratuitously make it. I've gotta make a better one than what's out there. Otherwise I wouldn't waste my time. So the Pequeno, it's got a really bitchin' clasp, and it's actually, this is the only place that we use it. I will show you something pretty cool about the Pequeno. And the coolest thing is this wasn't even set up for this video. I just happened to be wearing one because this is mine, and I took my bracelet and I put it on a spring ring. That's so I don't lose it. Apple AirTag spring ring, the end of my bracelet. And here's the other end of my bracelet. Pop that up and put this back together. This is my new wallet setup, new as of the last 10 seconds, right to my bracelet. So it's a sturdy clasp, it's strong. It definitely works fine for a bracelet, a necklace, and look at what I found, a wallet chain too. So yeah, make it your own. That's one of my other favorite things. You buy it, you break it. Not you break it, you buy it. You buy it, you can do whatever you want with it, but don't break it. You won't break it. If you break it, we'll fix it. But you buy it and make it your own. Hot rod. I can't believe I'm still wearing this giant hat. It's making me hot. Can you cut to that flying onto the thing?